Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to find content suggesting your video in YouTube on your PC. This is a great way to discover related content and optimize your video's reach. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Step 2. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Choose the specific video you want to explore by clicking on it from the list of your uploaded videos. Step 4. Within the video details, click on the Details option to access more information about your video. Step 5. From the available options, choose Analytics to view the performance data of your video. Step 6. In the Analytics section, locate and click on the Reach tab at the top of the screen. Step 7. Scroll down the Reach page until you find the section labeled Content Suggesting This Video. By following these steps, you can easily find content suggesting your video in YouTube on your PC. This valuable information will help you understand how your video is being recommended and discover related content to optimize your reach. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Now let's dive into YouTube Studio and find those content suggestions.